Some people respect property lines. Others treat your home like a vacancy they're entitled to fill. After my parents and brother tried to break into my house to claim it for themselves, I did what any rational person would. I installed cameras, rented out 2 rooms, and moved on. The tenants are great, quiet, respectful, and they pay rent that covers most of my mortgage. I even gave them a deal so good they couldn't refuse. My finances improved. My peace returned. Then my mom found out. SIL had been stalking my social media, saw photos of the new roommates, and told my parents. My mom showed up to my door crying. "Why didn't you offer those rooms to Dan and his family instead?" I reminded her, they broke in. They tried to steal my home, and now she wanted me to invite them to live with me? She argued there wasn't enough space, but also insisted SIL deserved the master bedroom because she's the mom. Never mind it's a 3-bedroom manufactured home. Never mind SIL spent years mocking me when I was homeless. My mom kept sobbing about how desperate they were. But the truth, SIL had been pushing them to buy an RV so she could take over the main house. When that failed, she disappeared for days with the baby, expecting everyone to cave. They didn't. Eventually, my parents watched an animated video based on my posts. For the first time, they saw themselves clearly. My dad, man of few words, apologized sincerely. They admitted they'd been narcissistic. They blamed SIL, yes, but also owned their part. Dan divorced her after learning the youngest child wasn't his. The court removed his name from the birth certificate. Now, my parents go to church. They're in counseling. They've stopped asking for anything. But the irony remains. After trying to take my home, they were shocked I wouldn't give it to them freely. Boundaries aren't betrayal. They're just balance. The porch light stays on all night now. One reply landed like dry ice. So she wanted the master suite after failing to steal the whole house. Ambition without self-awareness is a hell of a combo. Another added, deadpan, next time just tell her the couch is reserved for people who haven't committed trespassing. When your family treats your home as temporary custody, not ownership, what part of mine ever meant anything to them? If you've ever secured your space only to be called selfish for it, you already know the answer isn't in the deed,